Me, I feel like it's Ndioka that are always giving testimony about close call. On their best day, talking about I was in a bus, they were shooting everybody and they killed everybody except me. They were pounding people in mortar and they told me to stand up and get out of that place immediately. Can never be on your gum. My mom's job is to pattern Brownian motion. Nyana Ashana zone not near and vice versa. It speaks bad of my mom if I'm having close calls. When not everyone Guy, what's up? Boys we fight. Their work is to steer me away from Nseka and steer Nseke away from me. Man ozino shimri wela sona akwaka. Use Holy Ezumezu as your ego for stream Holy Ezumezu as your shower meditation. Meditate. Listen to the song. Focus here. Right? Ancient practices. Focus on the pineal gland. Holy, 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 holy. Ezumezum, Ezumezum. And stream Holy Ezumezu before you sleep. Kiwach log. Yo, it's getting colder nowadays, so bro, cover yourself up so you can remember your dreams. Cause cold numbs the dream stuff, man. For real. Yagazi. Holy